Tired of content chaos? Let's ditch the overwhelm and build a streamlined editorial calendar in Asana in just 90 seconds. First, create a new project in Asana and name it Editorial Calendar. Choose the board layout for a visual workflow. Next, set up your columns to match your content stages. Ideas, in progress, review, and published are a great starting point. Now, brainstorm. Add tasks for each content idea. Think blog posts, videos, social media updates. Include a catchy title. Inside each task, add details using custom fields. Set a due date, specify the content type like blog post or video, and define your target audience. Assign each task to a team member responsible for its creation. This ensures clear ownership. Break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable subtasks like research, draft, and edit to stay organized and on track. Switch to the calendar view to visually schedule your content across dates and easily identify any gaps or overlaps. Automate your workflow. Set up rules to automatically move tasks between columns as they progress. For example, when a task is marked complete in progress, it moves to review. That's it. You've created a powerful editorial calendar in Asana to supercharge your content creation and keep your team on the same page. Happy creating!